Good morning, everybody. I figured I would show you our take from yesterday in Warrensburg. It was quite successful, actually. So I'm going to take you inside the workshop so you can see what we were up to. And boy, I don't think I've ever really shown you guys the whole scenario of our workshop here. Sorry for the jitter. But we have these cabinets that I actually rescued from a hotel that was remodeling, and I got all 9 of these armoires for 125 bucks. So that was really a nice take. This is something we got yesterday at the Warrensburg. That little table. Gosh, I'm tempted to just leave it alone. What do you think? I just think it's adorable. So we'll see how it goes. I might just leave it. And then this guy I got for 25 cents. I definitely want to play with some paint with that. Just give it a little whimsical look. And this is really cool. That's our little step ladder there. Everybody has one. This is our display for our Pro Packs that we send to our resellers who want to sell Vermont chalky paint. These chairs I got yesterday as well. I'm thinking, wouldn't it be nice for one of those black plaid cushions, seat cushions? A little sleigh. The sleigh I want to paint up a little bit too. It's just so cool. And what else? So it's converting a computer desk into a coffee station. How cool is that, huh? So that's that. Oops. What else have we here? This is our bridal Show Your Jug show, and we basically put a box together so brides can do paint and sip party and make their centerpieces. It's a great way for brides to connect, and a portion of proceeds for our Show Your Jugs helps the cancer patient support groups in the communities that we serve. This is a Patrick and Stacya's wedding, and these were tea light lamps that they had on each of their tables. And that was all to help the Show Your Jugs campaign. Buy a jug, paint a jug, and show your jugs in honor of someone you love who's faced the challenge of cancer. And this little cabinet over here has some tchotchkes that I found. I love these little lampshades too. I've got to think of creative ways to use them. I've been putting them on the jugs, and they're kind of cute. I kind of like them. So that's what we have there. And of course, weddings. Using our jugs for wedding displays and centerpieces and things of that nature. And more pieces like that. This is the drawer that we did at the National Hardware Show on the fly. It's driven 6,000 miles. This is our welcome sign that has a fall theme, or a Christmas theme now. Thought I put fall up. Yeah, those Velcro on those jugs, on and off the sign. It's kind of cool. And one of our fall jugs, let me see if I can get better lighting for that so you can see it better. That's decoupaged on. Maybe if I put it over here. That's what I'll do. I'll try to show you what the 4 seasons are about. Putting it there. This is the topiary that we just made. That came out pretty cute, actually. And yesterday I found this piece. You see the gold here. It has mirrors underneath, so it holds my jugs. Every girl should have her jugs held in place. And then these are our tea light lamps that are on display inside. Oh, that's kind of cool. My sister gave me these chicken mugs. That's really fun. And yes, that's a piece I gotta work on. Oh, I'm pretty happy with our little workshop here. Thought that you'd like a tour. So 3 of our 4 seasons. So have a wonderful day.